Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day. So there's a good chance for you to catch up from today, yesterday, and binge watch your favorite playlist today. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really underrated credit union called Fed Choice Credit Union. There is a lot of data points I have to drop on this. There's a lot of interesting products I think you're going to want to know about. And so I'm excited to share it with you. But before we get started, you know how we do. Welcome brand new viewers. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you all so much. If this is your first time checking out my channel, this is very organic, very conversational, talking head videos to help you get high limit credit funding, give you tips and tricks, and help you answer your credit questions and help us all rise on financial literacy. So join us in the comment section. Throw your 2 cents into this conversation. If you like this credit union, let us know. Or if you'd like us to do a review on a credit union or like a credit question answered, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. Welcome. Also, I have a Facebook group that is private, but it's welcome to all. Link is in the description below. It is incredible. We are dropping gems left and right every single day in there, so make sure that you guys join that as well. And if you have a specific credit question you want answered, DM me at Instagram at Radical Marketer. Spell it with a K, Radikal Marketer. DM me your credit question. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be doing a lot of updates and giveaways here soon, so you don't want to miss it. And shout out to all my Radical Marketers blowing up the channel. You guys have been amazing. Go ahead and smash that like and throw that comment in. You know how we do to get this channel blowing up in YouTube. All right, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about Fed Choice. There is a lot of great products in there here. There's only a couple downsides that I see. I'm going to give you all of the data points. I'm going to try to keep the video to like 8 to 9 minutes long max. But I want to jump right into this. So Fed Choice Credit Union is going to be in the DC area, but the membership is open for all. So you actually don't have to be a government employee. You can get in through a nonprofit association. When you just go to register for online banking or join, then you can get in right from there. Now, it is the unfortunate part is they will check your check systems and they will do a hard pull for membership, which will be from TransUnion. And the other bummer is you can't double dip on hard pulls. So sometimes there is a clause where if you do a hard pull, that's good for 30 days or 60 days. With Fed Choice, every hard pull is a hard pull. So if you want a credit card, hard pull. You want a loan, hard pull. You can't double dip off that. You can't use one inquiry for multiple products, which is a bummer. But those are the only negatives I see. Let's jump into the cards. The other negative that I see too is there's no business side to the credit union. I always love to have the business side. If you want to become a member, just go right there and you guys can start joining right away. So hard pull for membership, can't double dip, and no business is the only bad part that I see. Now, the 2 credit cards that they're going to have is they're going to have the Platinum credit card. And this is going to be a no annual fee credit card, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee. You guys already know how I work out with all of my cash advance fee videos and my balance transfer strategies. Make sure you check out the playlist in the channel. Also, you're going to be able to skip a payment, which is pretty cool. Annual skip a payment. A lot of these credit unions are starting to do that on the loans and the credit cards. The cool thing about this credit card is this is going to start with a $50,000 limit. Which is great. That's going to be a rewards credit card. Earn rewards points for every dollar you spend. So I'll like I said, I'll put this in the link in the description so you guys can check this out. But if we go back here for a second here and we go to the gold card, the gold card is going to have a $35,000 limit. So Platinum will have a $50,000 limit. Gold will have a $35,000 limit. And keep in mind that just because those limits are there doesn't mean that's what you're going to get when you apply. Those are the maximum limits you can have on the card. And you get the maximum limits by having a great TransUnion credit report. So Alliant, Navy Federal, both of those will be using TransUnion. And also, check this out. You can, besides all of the main things that we already mentioned on the Platinum, you will also be able to set GPS and merchant restrictions. So something can't charge you in another state if you don't do business with them. So you can set the restrictions on who you want to charge your card. And that's pretty cool. I like that new feature. The other thing about the credit card comparison is you can kind of see right here, your Platinum is going to have a 6.75% APR. Obviously, it's the best card. The Gold will have a 10%. No annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee either. Okay, the cash advance APR is actually lower than the actual APR. It's like the same rate, believe it or not. So you can take money off these cards with no problem, which I love. Guys, I hope you guys see that you can take the money out with no problem. Why? Because there's no cash advance fee, and the APR for cash advance is the same as it is for the regular APR, which is amazing. So I love that the credit cards here with Fed Choice for that. And then it kind of goes through the difference between the different banks right there, so you guys can take a look at that at your own time. The auto loans, pretty great here. Hold on one second, guys. Boom. Okay, so the auto loans I like a lot. You can actually do up to 60 months, 1.99% is pretty good. Minimum loan amount, $5,000. And it's going to go 125% of the MSRP or the NAD clean retail, including tax, title, warranty, and products, gap, and all that type of thing is in here as well. You can kind of go through even leisure vehicles as well, up to 144 months on a boat or an RV. Includes personal watercraft and snowmobiles. So I really like this credit union. The reason why I like it is because there's no fees on the credit cards. The cash advance is the same as our regular APR. That's amazing. High limits, $50,000 for the Platinum, $35,000 for the Gold. APRs are super low. These are going to be very, very competitive cards, people. And then they're also going to have a secured credit card up to $5,000. It does not graduate. Just wanted to make you guys aware of that. And then we also have personal loans up to $35,000, $500 to $35,000, 5 years to repay, borrow for any personal need. Then you have the shared secure loans where you can delegate what you want to have a loan from, build credit that way as the installment. We've been over those many times. And then we also have a line of credit. It's a line of credit and overdraft protection, $300 to $20,000. I like that a lot as well. $20,000 is a good PLOC or personal line of credit. You can kind of see the loan rates that they have as well on the side at a glance. Super nice as well. They did have a cash and carry loan, which is going to be like the quick loan with DCU. Thing is, you have to be a member for 6 months and have direct deposit to Fed Choice for 3 months from the same employer. Can't be from a different one. You pay over 60 days. Payments are scheduled to coincide with your paychecks. Application fees $10 per $500 borrowed. Maximum is $20. So if you did $1,000, you'd be paying $20. If you did $500, you'd be paying $10. You choose how much you need, $500 to $100, and this is going to be it seemed really good to get a payday. This is going to be better than a payday loan. Let's see here. Hold on one second here. This is a no credit check product. There he goes. There's a no credit report run for this loan. Boom. There you go. Right there, people. No credit check. So literally just like the DCU and Quick Loan. And then they also have a now and later loan, which is going to be really good for rebuilding credit. And so basically you choose how much you want to borrow, up to $3,000 over 36 months. Interest rate's kind of high. I got to have been a member for 6 months. And then basically the loan will be dispersed, providing half of the funds up front. Second half of the funds will be placed in a special savings account. So it's like a hybrid between an unsecured and a secured loan. I would recommend that if you guys do something like this, you do it for 36 months. You do the maximum amount possible, and you pay 70 to 80 to 90% of the loan up front automatically. So that way, when it reports to the credit bureaus, you only show a very small amount left on your credit that you can pay over time. And so it'll be very, very easy for you to manage, and it'll be a great installment line. And it's good for rebuilding credit or starting credit as well. So that is Fed Choice Credit Union. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. My overall thoughts are, I think it's worth the hard pull, especially if you can sweep the inquiries. I think it's worth the hard pull to get the banking relationship going. I love the credit cards, being able to use them and liquidate them easily with the cash advance strategy, because there's no extra APR, with that. I love the personal line of credit. I love, if you guys are rebuilding your credit, I love the credit repair type of loans with the quick and carry. And then the now and later loan, those are nice. And then the personal loan, to have $35,000 up to 5 years is pretty good. Their interest rates are really good on here as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Is this a credit union you would go with? I will probably end up trying it out, but I won't do it this year. I'll be doing it next year. I've got some credit unions to try to tackle right now, but I do think that this is going to be a very lucrative credit union for people that want to liquidate credit cards, have a personal line of credit, have a cheap car loan, and then they also have the HELOCs and the home mortgages as well, and student loans. So it's a great credit union. I would give it an A-. The only reason why I'm not giving it an A is because there's no business products and it's a hard pull for membership, and you can't double dip on hard pulls. So anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me a credit union you want me to do a review of, or a credit product you want me to do a review of in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Fed Choice. Tell me what your favorite, what your question is about credit. Join the private Facebook group. Add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Links are both in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Salute.